Hi and welcome back to Lockpicker 69. In the files today I've got this 50mm brass avocet padlock. This does work lovely and smooth. That's the bidding on the key, and this was kindly sent me by Harry Bow. It's a little 5-pinner. It's all locked up. I've picked it once or twice off camera and is a nice lock. Do get some nice feedback, and I'll just be using a short hook in 23,000 from the practice kit. Avocet some wet sun there. Click on one and a slight turn. Pin 5. It's giving me a nice full set. And we have an open on pin 4. It's not too difficult of a pick. Do get some lovely feedback from those pins. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you all again soon.